All right, so that was yesterday evening, right? Gunmen and police shootout, you know what I mean, right in front of the station. You see me? Right in front of the station, you see me? Yeah, man. My name is Officer Kayad One, you know what I mean, out of ISUPK, Jamaica. Shalom to everybody. All right, so watch this now. We're going to read the article to make you see, you know what I mean, where them say happen. So it says a running gun battle between cops, gunmen, and Spanish Town Road. A running gun battle between heavily armed men and the Denham Town police unfolded in the vicinity of Maypen Cemetery along Spanish Town Road in Kingston on Tuesday. The police were conducting an operation in the area when they were fired upon by gunmen. A battle then ensued between the heavily armed men and the Denham Town cops, with the special weapon and tactic team, a military-like unit within the police force, scrambling to assist the cops to prevent the men from escaping um, Maypen Cemetery. Police diverted traffic away from the section of West Kingston as intermittent gunfire from high caliber weapon punctuated the ear in sharp staccato bursts. The public is being asked to avoid Spanish Town Road in the vicinity of Maypen Cemetery. All right, so this happened yesterday afternoon, evening, you know what I mean, around the 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock bells, you know what I mean, thereabout. You understand? So, you know what I mean? What do you think? You understand? Is crime getting more bold in Jamaica? What is the cause of this? You understand? This is right in front of the police station. You know what I mean? Even though this police station, Denham Town police station, is known for, you know what I mean, men confronting the police. You understand? But what do you think? Leave a comment. You know what I mean? Like the video, share. You understand? Again, my name is Officer Kayad One out of ISUPK Jamaica. Remember to go over to ISUPK Jamaica YouTube page and subscribe. Follow us on Facebook. You understand? On Twitter, Instagram, TikTok. You understand? We are everywhere. You understand? And remember to go over to every ISUPK channel and subscribe over there. You understand? Yeah, man. And with that, I say shalom.